Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKAO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Monday and Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But definitely want to get things updated as actually a beautiful example of the power of charts. Quick recap from Monday's video. I talked about the falling wedge right here and how that is a bullish pattern. And you can see this morning got the breakout. Actually went all the way up there and was rejected right at that red line. I promise I've not moved any of these lines, but if you don't believe me, I'm not offended. I get it. I'm just somebody on the internet. But you can go back in the video archive and watch a video I did from April 15th and see all the lines I drew. But point here being that, that pattern right there played itself out. So congratulations to any of the technical traders that got the nice breakout trade right there. But I'm going to do some house cleaning so that this doesn't look so isn't so cluttered up with lines all over the place. So there we go. And I'm also just going to get rid of that line because at this point, really, there's two main levels that really stand out. First level is nothing new down here at 15 cents, which I talked about on Monday. That still remains the overall and key level of support. And with the final 30 minutes, again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So the final 30 minutes of the day being denoted by that candle right there. And you can see right there, the volume came back to life there. So some downwards momentum going into the close. So, not a guarantee, but it also wouldn't be very shocking. It's not a very gutsy call on my part to say, it's looking like the price very well could be headed down to 15 cents and is going to, at least back test it a little bit here. But again, that's by no means, a gutsy call or anything like that. But we'll see if the price does work its way down there. And if it does, the big question then becomes, can 15 cents hold or not? In the event this turns back around, then that is where this other point that I've talked about before up at 22 cents comes into play. Nothing really new to talk about, but probably confirmation would be more of an accurate term. Because like I said, I talked about it on Monday, and then we did have confirmation that that is indeed a level of resistance going forward. Or maybe this is a start of kind of a bigger channel here, where the bottom of the channel is going to be 15 cents, and then the top of the channel is going to be 22 cents. So we'll see what happens with it on Wednesday, but I think Wednesday is going to give us a good idea of just what to expect. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.